Hey guys, welcome to Tech Ashen. In this video, today we'll know how we can cancel pending friend request in Facebook. So it happens with us most of the time when we send friend requests to the people whom we don't know. So randomly we used to send friend requests to the people. So it's very difficult to find how you can cancel the pending request, like whom you have sent, you don't even know, you don't even remember the request that has not been accepted by the people. So here's a simple easiest method. I'll tell you how you can cancel the pending friend request. So there is a link. I'll provide this link in the description below. You can copy this link from the description, and you have to open your browser. And before you go through, make sure you have logged into your web browser. You have logged in Facebook in your web browser. After that, take a new tab and paste the link. So as you can see, a lot of pending friend requests, as you can see here. So what you have to do, just click on undo and friend request will be cancelled. So this is the easiest method I have found to which you can cancel your pending friend request. So if you like the video and if the video was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for our upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a good day.